So choosing a battery charger for your camera can sometimes be quite hard because a lot of them, a lot of similar features, a lot of them do basically the same thing. But today I'm going to show you this one right here, which is the dual battery charger. Now, one of the things that I like about this right here is the price point. So for latest price of this, guys, you can check the description box. So this is the user manual. Also inside we have the battery charger right here. Also what comes inside is accessories, which is the charging cable, which is USB type C to USB type C. Now taking a look at this Llano battery charger right here, you can see we have the indication for 25%, 50%, 75%, and up to 100%. So as you can see, we have two channels. We have channel 1 and channel 2, which means that we can charge up to 2 batteries into this right here. Now please bear in mind that this battery charger right here works on the Sony NPF FZ100 battery series and any other different brand. So you can get the Llano brand or any other aftermarket battery, which this actually works. Now Llano did make another version of this, which is the 3-segment or 3-channel version. You guys can click the card above if you want to see the exact review of that video. So once you put it inside of the battery charger right here, you can choose any one of these channels. So as you can see right there, I have my 2 battery inside, and once you put it inside like this, here there's not much going on right there because this doesn't have any power of its own, so you really have to use this little charging cable right here which come inside. Now as you can see right there, this battery charger right here have a full capacity already of 100, and this one right here is below 25%, which indicated by the blinking of the green light right here. The input of this right here is only in, so you cannot use this as a power bank to charge our devices with this right here, which is something is not really an issue if you're looking for a sleek and compact and lightweight battery charger to charge up your battery whenever you're out and shoot. So guys, if you're looking for a nice, sleek, compact, aluminum built battery charger right here for your Sony NPF battery, this is a great option that you guys can choose, coming at a great price point. And also have a link of this down in the description to check the latest price. So it's very great, very compact, very lightweight, so it can easily travel with